Hello, my beautiful soul. I'm glad that you're here. My name is Aida, and today I want to offer a Reiki session for universal love, compassion, and union with a humble intention of raising the vibration of all humanity. I will also include the sound of singing bowls and koshi chimes in the background to help us relax even more and balance our frequency. Before we begin, I invite you to imagine this sacred smoke from the palo santo gently cleansing your energy field, releasing stress, heaviness, fear, and any negativity that does not serve you. With each breath, allow yourself to feel lighter, clearer, and open to receive this Reiki energy. Place one hand over your heart and one over your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose and let your breath expand your belly and chest. Hold for a moment and exhale through the mouth with a sigh. Again, inhale deeply, filling your heart with fresh, life-giving energy. Exhale and release all tension. One more time, inhale peace, exhale anything heavy. Feel your body settling. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. Together, we set the intention to connect with the frequency of universal love, compassion, and union. May this Reiki session fill our hearts with peace, expand compassion within us, and ripple outward into the collective. May this energy remind us that we are not separate. We are one. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a soft, glowing green and pink light expanding with every breath. As Reiki flows into this space, repeat silently or out loud. I am love. I am compassion. My heart is open to connection. With each inhale, your heart energy grows brighter. With each exhale, it shines more freely into the world. Now, imagine your heart light expanding beyond your body, filling the room, the city, and radiating across the earth. With this love, whisper silently, "May all beings be free from suffering. May all beings remember love." Feel this energy flowing from you, joining with the love from countless hearts across the planet. I will now gently pull and pluck away any heavy or negative energy that you may be carrying. With each motion, I invite you to release what no longer serves you. Stress, fear, anger, or anything weighing on your heart. As I remove this energy, I will transmute it into pure love and compassion, sending it back into the universe in its highest form. Know that you are safe, supported, and open to receiving healing. See golden threads of light connecting your heart to the hearts of every human being. A vast web of compassion weaving us all together. In this oneness, there is no separation. We are one. We rise together. I'm now sweeping away any last remnants of fear, heaviness, or anything that doesn't serve you, clearing your aura, your energy, and your heart. Slowly bring your awareness back to your own heart. Let that expanded love gently return and anchor within you. Take a deep breath in and exhale softly. To close, silently affirm, I am a channel of compassion and peace. Know that the love that you carry is always within you, ready to be shared. Thank you to the Reiki energy, the guides, and to each soul who joined in this circle of love. Please make sure to like, share, and save this video so you can come to it every time you need it. And please don't forget to subscribe and to also check my last video where I share the guided meditation to regulate your nervous system. As always, I'm sending you love and compassionate healing.